At the end of the day, a small part of our spiritual journeys are dedicated to really finding out if manifestation works or not. Does our actions spiritually, physically, mentally, and emotionally affect how success and physical wealth manifests in our lives? This month, I'm really happy to share that this shit is actually working. Becoming more aligned, present, and still, while also healing past traumas, gives us more control of what we receive in this lifetime. Hey guys, welcome to another plan with me. As you see, I'm at the beach. So sorry if you hear some wind noise or any other noise. It is now August. I hope July was great for you. I know it was good for me. And I hope this month brings you blessings and light and positivity and happiness. But yeah, let's get into it. The first code word for this video is August. The first code word is August. I really love doing this. It reminds me of being in art class, and I'm just able to not think for a moment and draw and illustrate freely. We're gonna go put our feet in the water soon, okay? You wanna put your feet in the water? Go ahead. You scared? Okay. It's time to take a good look at what happened in July and really take responsibility for it all. How could you have manifested it? I try to really assess how my month went and how I was responsible for it. So my July, as you guys know, it was my birthday month. My birthday was amazing. I had a beautiful time. A lot of good things were happening to me. I was meeting a lot of good people. And I mentioned this in one of my previous videos, but I have just been receiving a lot of good karma. Shit, July just made me feel so blessed, and it just made me feel so good. I did receive some financial blessings that really helped me out, and that's the reason why I was able to get my car. July was the end of a relationship that I had, but it was for the best. I kind of just looked at it as a lesson. I looked at how I could have manifested attracting that kind of person, and it just helped me reflect on how I needed to change. The only thing I didn't like about July was that I relied heavily on weed because I really wanted to stay focused. I really wanted to make sure I was getting everything done that I wanted to get done, so I was using weed as a crutch to help me just be proactive and not like fall into like my moods or my sadness. And then after I really analyzed everything that happened in July, I pick an affirmation for the month. My affirmation or my motto for August is, I am allowing God to use me. All that means is whatever I'm called to do, I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be moving with love and compassion and kindness. I'm just literally gonna be allowing God to use me as a vessel. I came up with like a plan for August. Like, what are some habits that I'm going to implement? What are some things that I'm gonna do differently? What are some things that I'm not gonna do? Since I've been creating these videos, you guys have seen me on different kinds of journeys. You guys have seen me on my physical journey where I try to get my body together, where I'm eating right. You guys have seen me on my spiritual journey where I'm just like, thinking about manifestation, thinking about growing spiritually. Right now in August, I want to combine all those things. I want to focus on all those things. I want to do whatever it takes for me to get to my higher self. So that includes me not smoking, that includes me not drinking, that includes me eating right, working out, doing my yoga and my morning routine and my nighttime routine, being disciplined with work. That includes me enjoying my life, having fun. Starting this week, I'm really gonna be more intentional with my accountability check videos. They're gonna be more in depth. They're gonna have date stamps on them. I'm gonna put one out every week for the month of August, just so you guys can see that I'm really doing all that I say that I'm doing in a very intentional way. And I'm really proud of myself because right now is a time where I'm going through it a little bit emotionally, but the way I'm handling it is different than I've ever handled it before. So that just shows me I've learned the lessons that I was supposed to learn. I do have negative thoughts. I do have negative emotions sometimes, but it's okay. We all do sometimes, and it's just working through it and making sure that you're pouring into yourself. I deactivated my Instagram. Honestly, I don't know how long it's going to be deactivated for, but I don't want to see other people's lives. I don't want to compare myself to other people's lives. I don't want to like be annoyed by the things that I see online. I wrote some of my goals down, and I wrote realistic goals down. And this is the first month where I feel like I'm gonna achieve everything on my goal list, everything. In July, I achieved like a lot of my goals. The only thing is I didn't achieve some of my business goals. I realize now that I tend to be unrealistic when it comes to my business. I like things to happen so quickly, and I'm not fully ready for them. So like now, August more is about preparation. August is about really putting all my systems in place so that once I do get all the orders that I get, and once I do start making some serious money, I'll be prepared for it, you know, because I feel like I wasn't prepared for it before, and that's why the universe and God wasn't really giving me what I was asking for. So I'm gonna pull a card from my Modern Witch Tarot deck, and I'm gonna pull a card, and this is gonna be the theme for August. King of Cups. Okay. She on her throne in the water. She got her little cup in her hand. She's sitting on the shell. She got her crown. She chilling. I don't know. It looked like she got a happy little life going on. See, King of Cups. They're calming, and their cup is brimming with love and compassion. They draw strength from treating others with tenderness and kindness. And they're truly in touch with all their emotions. They're the kind of person who you feel perfectly at ease with because their presence is sincere and accepting. If this indicates a relationship, you're finally fully able to let down all your walls and feel comfortable and loved by this person. If the king is you, you're doing a beautiful job as a friend and a confidant, so be proud. I love that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you, and I hope you guys are inspired to create your own plan and to just take control of how your life is going. I hope you enjoy your month. I hope you experience love, light, positivity, and happiness. And yeah, bye.